Well, sure, a rake would work, but in 2026, we're working smarter, not harder. This is the Ryobi Rubber Power Sweep. You can sweep the gravel out of your grass, you can sweep the snow off your driveway. This cabin we bought has 18 oak trees on it. They are beautiful, and I'm gonna do everything I can to keep as many as we can. However, with that being said, some of them do have to come down. For example, the one that we just took down, you saw, it was growing on the sidewalk. That's not a great place to have a tree, but that's not the only reason. It was rotting away. Having trees that are rotting or dead next to your house, or any structure for that matter, and just one gust of wind can take it down and cause a lot of problems. We're putting a ton of money into this house, including a new roof. So we want to make sure that the roofing area is clear. All the trees are kind of trimmed back. We don't want trees hanging out over top of them. Whether you're cutting down trees entirely, whether you're trimming them, maybe even just doing a stump grinding, it's dangerous. You got to be on your A game. And if you've watched this channel for more than 5 minutes, you know that our kids are always involved. There is no chance they were sitting this one out. The lift that we rented was the absolute MVP of this entire job. No question about it. I can't do heights, so there was no chance that I could be up there fully extended and hanging out and cutting down trees and whatnot. But the family and I did do it. We did go up there a little bit and have fun, but we definitely didn't do any cutting of trees down up there. While Ben was out front cutting down and fixing up the actual trees, we were in the backyard fixing whatever this backyard is. Estimates from the neighbors that we've spoke to, this backyard was about 15 years of just being a dump. There was a little bit of garbage, but it was mostly just landscaping crap. Big rocks, leaves, dirt, bricks. This here is the same backyard area. You can see that there's one big tree that he's taken down for us. And you can see all those small trees too. It was so thick back here, the sun never touched it to dry it out. We hope this gets rid of some of the mosquito problem in the backyard. Today is going to be a very loud and very busy day. We've got tons and tons of brush. Of course, it doesn't look as big. Maybe we'll get down where it belongs here. It's over my head, so we got 7 feet of brush there. And then right over here, we've got 1 pile, 2 pile, 3 pile, and then there's another one back over there. We got a huge chipper. I've run a chipper a couple times, and we rented a dump trailer. We're gonna get to filling it up. As I mentioned, I've run a wood chipper before, but it wasn't this big. This thing scares the hell out of me. Not only is it loud enough to shake all the neighbors' houses, but it can just delete trees that are up to like 12 inches across. On one hand, it was absolutely terrifying, but on the other hand, it's really satisfying to watch. For example, let's just appreciate Kelsey deleting this tree. We got a full load. And as my luck would have it, hit the button to go up. Nothing. Dead. Now what are we gonna do? The rental company sorted it out. We just had to find a bigger jumper. But hey, if you got all the way to the end of the video, I will give you a before and after of the entire thing. This job absolutely kicked our butts. However, we're really proud of what we did. Here's what it looked like when we started, and here's what it looks like today. We have eliminated so many threats to the actual house itself from these trees, and we kept most of them.